Be very quiet, just listen. Now, I haven't seen much about this game either. I've seen the trailer to it, and that's it. So let's find out what's going on. Let's find out what the big cafoodle is, because I've scrolled through like 4 or 5 recommended gameplays of this already. So I was like, oh hell, I'll buy it and play it. Let's see. You see Julia. Hey, Julia. Come to Seth. Come to Narki. Do I push a button? Oh, I do. She's about your age. Late 20s. Laughing. Well-dressed. Professors and grade students from nearby CU Boulder. You, Henry, are drinking with your pals. See amigos? You approach her. You are drunk. So what's your... Oh, so I get to choose, okay. You are pretty. So what you... Let's stick with being a gentleman. So what's you... Oh, I didn't get to read it. You slur the word majoring and it smells like cores. You give an awkward smile. Evolutionary biology, she says. And I'm a professor. Cool, you reply. What's yours? She asks. She sniffs the air. It smells like dildos in here. Toxicology. Was that a bone? You ask. Was that a bone? She says. Definitely. Worried she hurt your feelings, she asks you if you want to split a cheeseburger. 1 week later, you and Damn, I'm Julia's boyfriend in 1 week? Well, damn, I must be one good-looking fella. What was my name? Hank? Henry? Henry, my dude, you a player. Oh, damn. Okay, this is a controller. I'm gonna be playing with a controller. To use objects. You know what? Okay. Can we stop moving? Hold on, how does this work? I don't know if I want to use keyboard or what. Is mine? Wait, let's look around first. You're too close. Where are we going? Where's Julia? Where is my Julia? Julia! Or am I going to see? Oh. Truck bed. You should probably close it. Okay. Oh. You date for overuse. She drives you absolutely nuts. It's great! Julia, drive my nuts. Wait a minute. You move in. You share an apartment near the school with a view of the mountains. My nose is runny. With a view of the mountains, you two drink beers on the deck. Cheers, my love, Julia. You drink beers just about anywhere. Life is good. Hey, nice cock. Julia wants to get a dog. Fido? There's a scuffy, undersized beagle. Julia is in love. She wants to bring it with her to class. There's also an intimidating but gentle-eyed German shepherd. Nothing bad could happen to Julia while walking this dog. It's badass. She wants to bring it with her to class. Let's do the one that Julia is in love with. Just because it's badass doesn't mean it's right. You pick up the beagle and she names him Bucket. You adopt the shepherd and name him Mayhem. Let's name him Bucket, cause fuck it. Bucket's a good dog, and a week later you've totally forgotten about the other one, because apparently you're fucking drunk. Julia loves him. You love him too. I love you, Bucket. Oh, fuck it. You talk out on the deck. It's summer. Hey, nice deck. You talk out on the deck. It's summer, 9:30 p.m. And the heat is still radiates off the high desert. What do you think about kids? She asks. Kids? They're not very smart or good at much. I'm saying if I have some. I'm saying if we have a couple of the idiots. One day. Why rush? That would be pretty good. In that case, we should probably get married. Yeah, I would like that too. These kids are going to be screwed up enough. It's probably best that their parents are hitched. You say she's absolutely right. You are absolutely right, Julia. My reading just went narrating to acting. Wow. Wait, why am I in the woods if I'm about to hitch this girl? Jesus, what the hell? Can I just get the fuck back in? Oh, I need to get the bag. Did I already get my bag? What's this way? Sorry, I love to hike. Shift. Shift! Okay, we may be switching to controller. I don't know the controls for this. We're going this way? Therefore, trailhead. Okay. Oh, we're jumping into a cutscene. It's Thursday night, and Julie is 4 hours late. She doesn't call you. You are worried and getting angrier by the minute. She walks in after you've gone to bed. Where's my mouse? She's not quite drunk, but she's clearly been having a fun time. You fight when she gets between the sheets. You get mad? You ignore her. Let's ignore her. You don't touch each other all night. The next day you feel guilty for being so angry and ask her about her evening. She says it was great. You hold on to a tiny pill of restrainment. Don't say it, Seth. Don't say it, Henry. Or is it Hank? It's Henry, I think. Julia still likes to draw. She never knew she liked to draw to begin with, okay? She draws plenty from her research. She draws all the places you go. She draws you. You pose and flex like a He-Man. You frolic like a Victoria's Secret model. Let's be a little humorous. Very nice. Oh my freaking... Oh, you're a beast. I'm a fucking beast. Why is everything all yellow? Oh, how fucking gorgeous. 1982. During the summers, you and Julie enjoy walking bucket at night. Because what else to do but walk the bucket and say fuck it. I've made that joke like 5 times now. There's a festival in town. It brings headphones are tangled. There's a festival in town. It brings headphones. It from far away. Yeah, blah blah blah. Okay. Bye. Fuck the dog. Bucket gets kicked. Fuck. Oh. Fuck the dog! Julia yells. She gets flustered. Has trouble speaking. Fuck the dog! When she is stressed, you confront the attacker. You scare him away. You beat his goddamn face in. Your arm gets cut up, but you beat the guy to a pulp. You don't feel very tough. You cry your eyes out before the cops show up. Julie asks to take a different path from that day forward. You say, okay, you don't want to go that way either. Pfft, I beat any fucker who touched my goddamn dog. Even worse, because where is my dog? Oh yeah, don't have one. Hi, kitty cat. I have a kitty cat. 1984. Plans to have kids get waylaid by work. Julia gets offered a job at Yali. Yali is a Connecticut 2,000 mile away. It's a great job. Associate department chair? She wants to move. You absolutely do not. convince her not to take the job. Agree if she comes. You ask her, she'll commit back and forth. You don't want to move to Connecticut. She says that'll be hard, but she'll do it if you won't move. You tell her not to pass it up if she... blah blah blah. She agrees. She flies back to the Boulder 3 times each semester. I was having trouble reading for a minute. Julia is sent home after Yale on a paid leave after having an episode. She lost it on a colleague for borrowing books that were important to her research. She didn't remember she had happily loaned them to him just 2 days prior. How do you not remember? Do you have... Oh no. Are we gonna find out she's got like Alzheimer's or something, or dementia? Oh, take it from somebody who's a CNA. This alone gives me the... Oh no. She was found crying in the stairway. You say that maybe you guys should talk to someone about it. You make a macaroni... macaroni. After seeing multiple doctors and having many tests, they are worried that Julia might be suffering from an early onset dementia. She is 41? You both decide to keep it a secret for now. No, tell people. I have the fucking force. Oh. Oh, I didn't know she drew me naked. Can I show that? Is that okay to show? Oh. Blow that, editor. Blow that. That was a penis. Bucket is getting older. Julia comments that it's kind of nice because he gets in less trouble around the house. A week later, she goes back to the university. You shouldn't do that if you have fucking dementia. Julia, afflictions get worse. She can't remember things in classes. Her research is in shambles. She drives her car to the next town over for no particular reason, and she has to be brought home by the police. She's devastated. She is sent home on a permanent medical leave. Some days you get the Julia who calls you a dope and your unborn children little idiots. Other days you get a stranger. She pulls you into bed to make love. After 5 minutes, she goes into panic, believing her dad is at the door. You tell her family they are crushed and begin to make trips to and from their home in Australia to visit her. For a while, your friends come by with little things to brighten the day. She gets worse. You spend your days following Julia around the house. You count the seconds between the 2 weekly visits from Daniel the nurse. He suggests that Julia could live somewhere else, somewhere with 24-hour care, a home. It sits with you for a couple months. You decide to move her into a full-time care facility, a nursing home. You determine to take care of her by yourself. Now, this is a big thing, because we had the same problem with my grandmother who had not dementia, but she was actively dying. We had the choice to send her to a home or to keep her. We kept her and take care of her, and it was just so hard, but we did it. Now, as a CNA, I've seen people who honestly, what I've seen in my work, personally, if I found out I had dementia, I would want my family to take care of me. But at the same time, it's just like, most of the time, okay, this is how it would play out. If I was told by a doctor, hey, you have dementia, you gotta go live with your family or go to a facility, I'd be like, no, I don't want my family to see me this way, move me to a facility. But he's lived with her and already seen it. He moves you to a facility, he'll be all by himself. I'm gonna say take care of by himself, but it's probably gonna get too much for him and he's gonna have to put her in a home. Oh, it's beautiful. Another jump scene. The worst is when you get mad at her, like when she tries to cook her own food. You can't do anything with her, and she can't do anything with you. Oh. When she goes to sleep, you stay up for a few hours, drinking on the deck, watching baseball in the summer, college basketball in the winter, drinking then too. You start going out after you put her to bed. For the first time you do it, you worry about her getting up and walking around while you're gone. You put a chair in front of the bedroom door. You trust that she sleeps like a rock. Don't lock her in. You go to the same bar at the boring end of Pearl Street. It's nice there. Over the time you tell Sheila, the bartender, everything. It's a huge weight off. Go away, bug! You're home and in bed by 1 a.m. A couple nights a week. You look forward to those nights. One night you were stopped at a DUI checkpoint. You blow a .10 and are taken to jail for the night. You consider trying to hide it, but you tell your sister-in-law Susan. Julia's parents take the next plane to Australia. They can't believe the state your house is in. Then they tell you Julia is coming to live with them. You don't argue. You say you'll visit soon. A few weeks go by. Summer is coming up and you see an ad in the paper for a job. Is it this job? Now how do I sprint? Is it Control W? Is it double tap W or is it W space? Oh. Come on, look. Where are you going? Let's just look for a minute. Could I see any other towers in the distance? That would be pretty dope. No, you can't see anything. Oh, wait, there's one.
Hey, ma'am. Or sir, how you doing? How you doing?
God, this is a beautiful place. I'd love to have this job. Sorry, there was some technical error there. Well, how the hell do I sleep? Okay, what do I do to trigger? Okay. What do I do to activate the next cutscene? Oh, there we go.
Hello, Two Forks Tower.
How do I reply? Hold left shift to activate radio. Oh, okay. Left shift to talk.
Hello?
Okay.
Whoever this is?
It's Henry, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Delilah.
Yeah, that's what the guy said on the phone.
So, what's wrong with you?
Excuse me?
People take this job to get away from something. So, what's wrong?
What's wrong with you?
That's a great idea. Go ahead.
Look, I just hiked for 2 days, so I don't really follow whatever it is you're doing right now.
You take a stab at what's wrong with me.
Fine, then can I sleep forever?
Sure, buddy. Okay, now go ahead.
Who's talking? Is that this one? You killed 3 ex-participants. You rebelling against the moon. Yes.
Okay. You've killed 3 husbands. You're a black widow, and you're just out here until the heat dies down, and then you'll kill again.
Ooh, very good. Bravo, Henry.
Okay, I sleep now?
Not quite. Now you.
Okay, good night, bye.
Let's see. I don't know anything about you, but 9 times out of 10, folks out here simply got dumped.
Huh, is that it?
Close?
Whoa, I got powers.
Good night. Welcome to the job.
Firewatch! Firewatch! What time is it? Okay, it is not even good enough. What am I doing, writing a porno?
Well, I guess good afternoon.
Yeah.
You probably slept like a rock. Anyway,
Volunteer as a
2
lookout.
hours of daylight to get some work in. I can see you at your desk, so call me when you're ready.
They're all creepy.
Hey, sorry, guess I slept in.
You got a relaxing, 14 hours of sleep? Ooh,
Yeah, Jesus, I guess it's what, 6?
6:45.
Whoops.
Don't worry about it. That hike puts everyone out of commission for a day or 2. But now that you're up, let me quickly get you acquainted
ooh.
with the job. There's a thing in the middle of your room with a round map on it. Do you see it?
Trying to close the damn drawer. What's this? 2 towers.
It's right in the middle of your room.
Hold on, woman. Scorched land. Lake of acid. Treasure chest.
You can't miss it.
Dude, this thing... Wait. Witch's hut. 2 towers. 1
All
tower.
right.
Oh my god, woman. Shut up.
But I won't wait all day. Just radio me when you find it.
Okay, yeah, I see it.
So now you're ready to work.
I'm new. Wanted to look around.
Honestly, on my
There we
first
go.
day, I did the same thing.
Can I drink it?
This is the Osborne Firefinder, invented in 1914 by W.B.
Osborne?
You use this to spot, you guessed it, What the fuck?
What is it?
Nothing. You use this to... Oh, fuck me!
Good God, language, lady.
Out your west-facing window. Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
Which way is west, woman?
Are those fucking fireworks?
Oh, N to use compass. Where is my letter N? This is north.
I need you to confirm. Do you see them?
No! I don't. Oh shit, yes I do.
Whoa, that's not legal, right?
No. You need to get down there right now and stop them. Fire danger is through the fucking roof.
Is that really my job?
Your job is whatever I say it is. Look, the closest ranger is like 2 days away. Go down there and set him straight.
Oh good, the door closes right behind me.
Do you think you can handle that?
Like, kick the shit out of him sort of straight?
No.
I'm not a cop. It's not like I've got a rule book over here.
Just make sure they don't do it again. Take their shit.
All right.
Take their shit. You want me to take their fecal?
Sandwich.
A porta
You
potty!
need a rope to get down the shale between you and the lake, if I remember right. There should
Oh,
be
I
one
can do that.
box on the way. The code is 1234. It's actually that for all of them.
I'm stuck. Yeet! Oh, that sucked. Do 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 do. Which way is north? If that says south, then I'm not going north. I don't know where the fuck I'm supposed to go. I have no fucking idea how a compass works. Not gonna lie, it has a W, so I'm pretty fucking sure I'm using W. Oh, west. What? What does W do? Oh, it moves. Let's find out what some of these keys do. Oh. Oh, dope. Oh, please tell me I get to go to some of these dickhole places. Okay, M for map. Okay, we're gonna switch to controller so I can run. Because for some reason I can't run on... Run, you fucker. You think it'd be shift. Am I going the right way? Oh, there's the box. I think I am going the right way.
I found the supply box.
Great.
One, two, three, four. Please be drugs, please be drugs, please be drugs, please be drugs. Oh cool, I can cross stuff off in the map. Oh hell no, man. Put the rope in your fucking bag and get that fine chewy bar. I wish I could report the pine cone. That'd be funny. Now, where are your fireworks going off? Are they this way? They sound like they're coming from this way. Not even gonna lie. R2 jog. That's how I do it. R makes sense for run. Can I commit suicide?
There really is a whole lot of nothing out here, huh?
Well, nothing civilized, no. It's a good thing, Henry. You'll like it.
Okay, where am I heading? I am absolutely lost. That sounds like really close fireworks though. What's this stuff? Jesus. That's right in my ear. It may not be that loud for y'all, but it's loud. Oh my god. Who sets off fireworks in the woods besides idiots? Okay. Dope. Oh hell nah to the nana. Please don't break, 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 please don't break. I'm alive. And A-okay. Hey, my arm's still messed up.
Hey,
What the hell's wrong with you?
my rope snapped coming down the shale slide.
You didn't break anything, did you?
No, I think I'll make it.
Well, be careful for Christ's sake.
Report medal.
I'm staring at the big outcropping down here, but I'm not quite sure where to look for our pyrotechnicians.
Maybe keep heading west toward the lake.
Okay. I thought it was north, but whatever you say, boss lady. Whatever you say, boss lady. Oh.
I found a bra.
A nudie pyromaniac. Remain professional.
Oh no. Wait, please don't tell me you still have... Okay, good, you left it.
There are panties.
There are what?
I don't want to say that word again.
Why, 'cause you're 12?
Oh, I'm stuck. I am an idiot. Okay. How far can I go?
I found them in the lake.
Skinny dipping.
Yeah.
Is that a guy over there?
Oh boy.
Full stereo!
Thank you. Now leave us alone. You're a creep. Total creep. Go get a girlfriend, creep. Can we just get out of here? You
Fight another
asshole!
firework and it won't be your stereo I wreck.
Oh, fuck you, psycho. Yeah, fuck you. You'll fucking pay for this. You can't just harass girls in the woods. Let's get out of here.
Where are they gonna go? Just vanish? I want to see what they do. I'm confused. What did they do? Just teleport? Find your way back. Okay, I'll find my way back.
Okay?
It went fine. Hopefully there won't be any more trouble.
Good. Thanks for going down there.
No problem, girl. Are you fucking paralyzed or something? Can't do it yourself? I'm just joking. She's my fucking boss. I have to do it because she asked me to. Am I going the right way? I'm just going the first trail I fucking saw. This doesn't feel right.
So, I have a bit of a confession to make.
What is it?
Look, I was drunk last night when I welcomed you to the job.
Yeah, well, you're not the first boss to be guilty of that.
I know, I know I can get a little pushy, you know, putting you on the spot about why you're out here and stuff.
It's fine.
I'll keep that sort of a thing to
It's not that big of a deal, Miss Drinky Winky.
Anyway, let me know when you get back to your lookout.
Can I just keep talking to you? It kind of terrifies me to be out here in the woods all by myself, wealthy. Oh, shit. How do I get up there? Shit! Did I go the wrong way? I'm so confused. Are those fireworks? Or am I seeing things because I'm fucking retarded? No, there's definitely smoke just randomly appearing. Okay. What did I do wrong? Where did I go that's wrong? Obviously I went somewhere and I didn't mean to go there. I didn't go the right way. There's a storm nearby, so I really need to go. My guy jogs like a fucking fat lady at Walmart trying to catch her freaking kids. She doesn't care enough to actually do it. Ooh. I am so fucking lost. Got no clue where I'm going. Fucking compass. I'm supposed to be going the opposite of west, which is east, isn't it? Is this the right way? Hey, once I see my tower, I can
You
get...
fell prey to the Forest Service's big recruiting effort when it comes to, you know, how the hell you ended up out here.
I saw the job in the paper and figured, you know, what the heck.
Okay, I came from this end.
I've got no ties and no life. Better go spend what's left of it in utter loneliness.
Oh, my back.
Something
I need a
like
better
that?
chair, man.
Yeah, thanks to last summer, the bump in Forest Service budget actually allowed for us to advertise for the job. Glad it worked.
1, 2, whoa. Mark that on my map. On my map-a-roni.
I found a sweatshirt from the University of Eastern Colorado.
There's a University of Eastern Colorado?
I really don't think there is.
Why would somebody make that up?
Right, and then put it on a sweatshirt.
The world's a weird place.
Dude, where the hell am I going? Hold on. I have a map, don't I? Where am I? I'm there. I need to head down that way. What is that? It is southeast. Southeast. Okay. So I need to head this way. Run! I'm pushing the run button. Oh, I could just go through that. Okay, I can walk through things. I'm fucking Danny Phantom. I've already been fucking here. No, this is where I came from. 'Cause I hopped down there, didn't I? Dude, I am so fucking lost. Go back to where nudie girls were. Get the fuck over. Because once I go from there, I'll know where I'm going, actually. Okay. Okay, here we go. We'll go from this place. Oh, I didn't even see this.
So they just left their stuff down here, but it would be a bad idea for me to toss it all in the lake, right?
Yes, I don't think that'd be wise. If you could refrain from criminal destruction of personal property while on this job, that'd be great, okay?
Should probably make sure those Roman candles aren't there when they come back.
Ah, cool, I can clean this up. Oh, cool. Now I know where my firewatch is now. It's up that way.
Hey, I'm back near that big rock outcropping, but not sure how to get back.
I'd head west, back towards the lake, and then turn north towards the canyon.
What? Okay, yep, got no clue what you're talking about. I'm gonna keep walking. Just gonna keep going from here. Shitballs can't get up from that way, can I? Personally, in real life, I could climb that. I'm telling you, I could. Woman, you want me to go from the lake, and you want me to go back to the lake and head west from the canyon.
Okay, so from these rocks, where do I go again?
Go back towards the lake, turn north, and east through the canyon. There should be a trail at the far east side of it.
Okay, so go to...
It is a hell of a nice camping spot down here by the lake.
I haven't been down there in years, but yeah, Jonesy Lake area is perfect.
So go back to the lake. right? That's what you want me to do? And head north. Which is... okay. Okay. Head north of Oni. We're missing serious storyline plotting here. So I was going the right way the first time with that sandy looking cliff shares. I was hearing this is north now. I'm going north now. You want me to go this way? This isn't north though. This is north. My stomach is... I'm hungry, motherfucker. Okay, this is north. This is north. I am going the right way now. So I was going the right way the first time. Okay, move, move. This is where I get fucked up though, right here. Don't go that way. This is here for a reason. You know what would be really nice? Girl, can I ask you where to go from here? I don't know where to go from here. I don't know where to go from here. You said to keep heading, north, but there is no more north. North is gone. There is literally no more north. It's all boarded up by a bunch of freaking game borders. So I'm gonna get as close as...
Any chance of those kids getting a disease in this lake, like diphtheria or consumption or...
Consumption? Not if they're not 19th century chimney sweeps, no.
You know, whatever.
I mean, if they drank a bunch, Giardia maybe, but probably not this time of year.
Okay, well, that's not really what I want to know, but I'm going with what you guys are saying. Okay, I'm stuck. I'm stuck in this specific area. I'm thinking I may have to restart something. Oh, here's a trail. Come on, jog, you dumb old slow man. God, this guy is the slowest jogger in the entire world. This does not feel right. This is the way I went the first time. This is not right. It's too dark over there to see a trail if there is a trail. You can't see anything from over there. It's too dark. So I'm not gonna go that way. I'm gonna go this way again. Because this is the only way that could let me go anywhere. Back there where that thing is, it is pitch black. I can't see a thing. You guys probably can see more than me because I have the brightness for you guys. But for me right now, it's almost pitch black. It is bad. Well, I wouldn't say almost pitch black. It's about right there for me. But for you guys, it's about as orange as this. I'm gonna say that one. Let me off. Let me down. Move, Mr. Boulder, move! Okay, so what seems to be going on is... I don't remember, is there gonna be some fancy story point to this game, or... Because in the trailer... And I've watched the trailer, it was a long time ago, but still... I can't remember. I believe a fire burst out. And you get to name it. Okay, from here, where do I go? I can fit through there? Jesus, dude, who are you, Batman? Nearby storm. Well, get the hell out of there. Okay, so what's going on so far is just a normal washout. I've just been so far watching for someone. Nothing fancy has happened yet. Nothing fancy has happened yet. He seems to still have his arm screwed up from when he beat that guy up. And he seems to really miss his girl. Duh. F to toggle flashlight. Okay.
What's in this cave down here?
In Thunder Canyon?
Thunder Canyon?
Hey, I didn't name it. But in the cave, I don't know, rocks? NFS tells people not to go too far in there. It's pretty dangerous.
So
So I say, fuck it. You're a grown man, you can go where you want.
great. Used to go caving with someone back in Colorado. She loved it. Might be great to explore it sometime this summer.
Well, that could be fun. Obviously, be very careful.
It doesn't seem that dangerous. Whoa, whoa! Oh, no!
Henry!
Seriously, it's completely fine in here.
That was funny. That's funny right there. Oh, that's so funny, dude. God damn it. Henry! Oh, son of a bitch. I'm lost again. No joke, I'm lost again. I am most definitely lost. My dumbass should have kept the... Here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, can I follow this line back? Go on, go on. I know you can get up there, don't act like you fucking can't. Yay, making my way downtown. Walking fast, moving slow, 'cause my guy's a fucking hoe. Old outhouse. Maybe we should just pull out the map and examine it. Oh, no, 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 no. I hope you're going to this way. Two Forks Lookout. So this way.
What are these power lines doing out here to the north?
Those are comms lines. They connect folks like me to Central Command.
Got it.
And if you can see them, that means you turn north of the cave and far, far away from Two Forks. You should head back.
Okay, so she wants me to head north. So this way, right? Wait, what is the point? Can I squeeze through this tiny little crack like I could before? Okay, what is the point of you? There's no fucking point of you. So go back to the cave and head north. North of the cave. Well, I thought I was going the wrong way. I guess I was going the completely wrong direction. Well, I'm definitely not one direction. Stupid thing. Honestly, though, I wish there was a fast travel. I cannot figure any of this out for the life of me. Pull up the map and check it out. Oh good, I'm heading back the proper way. Now if I just stay on this trail, I should be there by any time. Now I can do this. Yeah, there we go. This is completely pointless. Whip out the map. Once we see that lake, then it'll be good. That damn lake. oh, we're out of turn. Don't want to screw this shit up. Go the way I'm facing. I'm Plus that storm hasn't hit me yet and killed me. Yep. Honest to God. It's the reason there's a storm coming. It's part of the good gameplay. Let's see if we're heading the right way. Find a way back to Two Forks Lookout. I'm making my way downtown. Walking fast, pooping slow. Doo-ba-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. I could explore that cave at some point. Okay. Head north of the cave. So, is there a north even on the cave? I want to head the other way. Okay, so there is another way. Must be on part of this trail. Not that way, there's another way. There's apparently another way. I don't know where though. Maybe it is this way. Bless me. Apologies. Okay. Now here's my two-way. I'm gonna guess this way. I made my way back up. There must not be a way after all. That doesn't make any sense. There was no way though. It showed two ways. Maybe it's beyond them. This is the run button, not the slow the fuck down button. Maybe it was walking up towards the other way is how I get there. I know there's a nearby storm. Suck my cock. Come on, come on, come on, my man walks so slow and he runs even slower. Doom ba 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 dum bum dum. Kaboom! We're going up that way, Henry. Don't ask me how we're gonna get there. Do your jumpy jump. I do my little dancey dance. I do my little dancey dance. I do my little dancey dance. I don't understand where the map could be leading me at this point in time. So, yes, there's a way there. So we're just gonna make our way back to the canyon and take... I'd rather find the short way, honestly. If I go all the way back over there. Through the cave! Is the cave the short way? Is the cave the shortcut? I'm gonna go through the cave and pray to God it's the shortcut. It was the only other entrance. It weirdly looked like it went the opposite way, though. I guess it's a video game. They can go any way they want, right? God, this is so confusing. Okie dokie. This whole entire episode is me trying to make my way back home, isn't it? Entering the cave we go.
This cave is gated off.
It's to stop spelunkers from dying without getting the keys from the Forest Service office first.
Makes sense.
Although Debbie says she lost them like 3 years ago, so maybe its mysteries are locked away for good.
Ah, damn.
Yeah, but maybe you can find another one
What?
if your caving kicks in.
What the
This
hell?
one's so close to home and convenient, though.
How is it nighttime already?
Think?
How's it nighttime already?
There's some guy out here giving me the creeps.
The creeps? Wait, he's looking at you? Is he doing anything else?
I don't think so.
Henry, there's something someone should have told you about this area.
What is it?
It's outside.
Come on.
The whole thing. And people come and go as they please. It's madness.
Yeah, okay. I get it.
Look, bumping into someone in the middle of nowhere is part of the fun.
It's madness. You never want to see someone outside. Oh no. There was another man outside. He was looking at my big schlong. I'm just joking. It's tiny. Come on. Come on, old Henneroni. Henry. Henster. The Henmeister. The Hen Killer. The Hen Man. The Hen Dog himself. The Hentai. The... Wait a minute. Backtrack. Did I say Hen Dog? Jesus, man. Where do I go from there? Jesus, dude, your arm is still screwed up. Just let me go. Don't stop me. I'm Batman, okay? I see my little tower now. It's about freaking time I find my damn tower. Nah. You know, I played a Slenderman game once. That it reminds me a lot of this tower. Dude, I reported it.
Someone broke in.
They what?
They wrecked the place. Threw my typewriter out the window. Motherfucker.
Holy shit. I'll let the Forest Service know what happened.
How do I close the damn door? I can't close the damn door. Dude, let me close the damn door.
My fucking sheets are gone.
Okay, I put in a call.
Is there a note or something left for me?
Do you have any idea who would have done this?
Maybe that guy I saw in the canyon, but I don't know why the fuck he'd want to mess with my stuff.
Well, I'll have the Rangers keep an eye out for a man hiking on his own and question him if they find him. I can't believe someone would do this. I worry about bears and fires, and that's about it. And now I've got to worry about some deranged hiker going after lookouts? Great.
Shit.
In the morning, I'm going to call my friend Patty, who works the desk down in Cody. They keep a list of everyone who's officially been in and out of the trailhead since, I don't know, forever, and see if we can get a list of names. We won't get much, but at least if anything else happens, we can refer to it and see if anything comes up.
Thanks.
I need you to feel safe out here.
There's little Delilah.
Just point me to the Forest Service weapons cache and I'll feel safer than the Pope in his little car.
Yeah, someone made a choice years ago that leaving people with infinite amounts of alone time and a gun was kind of a bad idea.
Grenades?
Grenades. Grenades. Day 2. Okay, well. Day goodbye. That took me a long time to find the home. I apologize. We will have to continue day 2 in the next episode. Please subscribe and like the